For this video, we will discuss Fibonacci sequence. Okay, short history. Fibonacci sequence named after Leonardo Pisano Bigolo. Ito siya. So, nickname niya Fibonacci, kaya tinawag na Fibonacci sequence. Okay, ginamit niya to sa pag-calculate ng growth ng rabbit population. So, inassume niya na yung growth of rabbit population ay nagpa-follow sa sequence na ito. So, inassume niya lang, although hindi yun yung actual na nangyayari. Okay, so by definition, Fibonacci sequence is defined as the sequence of integers. Okay, take note, integers. Okay, so isayin natin. When we say integers, these are the counting numbers, including 0 and its negative. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, including 0 and yung negative ng 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay? So, in which each term is the sum of the two previous terms. So, yung sum daw ng two previous term such that we will have this, mathematically, we will have this definition. So, f of n is equal to 0 if n is 0 and equal to 1 if n equal to 1, and if n is greater than or equal to 2, yung f of n mo will be f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. So, mahirap intindihin. Gawa natin na example. I-expand natin tong definition, mathematical definition ng Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so sabi, kapag daw yung first time, kapag daw yung n mo is 0, which is 0th term, so 0, ang value daw ng f of n, ano yung value daw ng sequence mo, or ng number mo is 0 din. Okay? At the same time, kapag equal to 1 daw yung n mo, yung f of n mo daw ay equal to 1 also. Kaya lang, pag yung n mo ay greater than or equal to 2 na, so this time, yung second term natin, n equal to 2, yung magiging value mo daw is the sum of m minus 1, f sub n minus 1, plus f sub n minus 2. Okay, for example, yung n natin is 2. Okay, dito tayo sa n equal to 2. So, n minus 2, n minus 1 is 1. So, ito yon. So, ano yung corresponding yan? Ito, plus. Okay? Plus n minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, plus 0. So, ito yon. So, 0 plus 1, yun yung magiging value nung second term. So, 0 plus 1 is still 1. So same lang sa third term. Ganun din. So, sa susunod na term, n equal to 3. Sa third term, ang mangyayari ay, so, n minus 1, and f n minus 1, which is ito, plus n minus 2. Ito yon. Okay? So, add ko lang to. 1 plus 1 will be, yun yung third term, 2, and so on. So, gawin natin, tuloy-tuloy natin. So, 3, then fourth term will be 1 plus 2 will be, pakikalculate na lang, joke lang. So, 3, then fifth term is 2 plus 3 will be 5, then sixth term will be 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 will be 8, and seventh term will be 5 plus 8 is 13, and so on. So, yun yung pattern. So, yung sequence na yan, yan yung tinatawag na Fibonacci sequence. So, ito yung rules na pinapollow niya. F of n equal to n minus 1 plus n minus 2 if n is greater than or equal to 2. Okay? So, yan yung tinatawag na Fibonacci sequence. So, okay. So, this time, i-draw natin. Try natin interpret to geometrically. So, i-draw natin. For example, sa sa first term, we have this square na 1 by 1 yung side. So for example, we have this 1 by 1 na square, 1 by 1. Then, we also, second term, we have this 1 by 1 ulit na square. Okay? So, pag ang ginawa ko, nag-draw ako ng quarter circle. So, considering ito yung center ng circle, i-draw ko yung quarter circle, ito. I-connect ko dun sa quarter circle ng sumunod na square, ito. Then, i-draw ko yung corresponding square na may sides equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2. So, ito yung square na yon. Okay, so yung side na yan is 1 plus 1, so magiging 2. Okay, so i-connect ko ulit yung quarter circle. Yan. Then, mag-draw ulit ako ng another square na may sides na 1 plus 2, which is, okay, calculate na lang, 3. Okay, so 3 by 3. So, i-draw ko ulit yung quarter circle. I-connect ko doon sa 2 by 2. Then, i-draw ko ulit yung, nag-draw ulit ako ng square na may sides na 3 plus 2. Okay, calculate na lang, which is 5. Okay, so 5 by 5 na square. So, i-connect ko ulit yung curve. Okay, so pag tinuloy-tuloy nyo yung pattern, so makikita nyo, makaka-form ka ng tinatawag na spiral. So, 5 plus 3 will be 8 by 8. So, makaka-form tayo ng spiral. Okay, so yung spiral na to, na-form natin using Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so yung spiral na yan, ang kagandahan yan, makikita natin yan sa nature. For example, ano yon? For example, itong shell. So, meron tayong spiral dun sa shell. Tama? Ano pa? Sa galaxy, makikita rin natin yung spiral na yan. Sa mga flowers, makikita rin natin. Okay, saan pa? Sa wave. Okay, sa storm. At marami pang iba. So, makikita natin yan. Okay, so, makagamit natin yung Fibonacci sequence. So, nakikita siya sa nature. Okay, ano pa? Kaya, dyan papasok yung tinatawag na golden ratio. Okay, so, we have this golden ratio. So, sabi, derive mo siya, we can derive this relation kapag dinivide nyo yung f sub n plus 1 over f sub n in such a way, kinuha mo yung limit ng ratio na yan. Kapag malaking-malaki yung number ng Fibonacci sequence mo, so mag-a-approach ka sa limit na 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, which is approximately equal to 1.618, which is na may symbol na P, Greek letter P. So, yan yung tinatawag nating golden ratio. For example, so we have this 3 over 2. For example, 3 over 2, 1.5. Divide mo. Then, 5 over 3, 1.6. 8 over 5, 1.66. Then, 13 over 8, 1.625, and so on. Mag-approach ka sa limit na 1.618 or 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 na tinatawag na golden ratio. Okay? So, mahalaga yung ratio na yan. Nakikita natin yan sa nature. So, kaya tinawag siyang golden ratio. Okay, kaya gamit yung golden ratio na yan, paano kapag gusto mong malaman ano yung Fibonacci number at a given term kapag malalaking number na? Okay, so hindi mo na pwedeng gamitin tong definition na to. Ito. Dahil sa definition na to, dapat alam mo yung sinundan dalawang term. So, diyan na papasok ngayon yung tinatawag na Benet's formula. Kung ano yung gusto mong malaman na term, substitute mo lang yung n, malalaman mo na kung anong corresponding value sa Fibonacci sequence. Okay? So, i-apply natin. For example, sa problem na to, what is the 50th term of Fibonacci sequence? Okay, given, we have this n equal to 50. Then, pinapahanap ano daw yung corresponding 50th term, of course. Okay, so substitute natin using Benet's formula. So, we have calculator dito na screenshot na lang. Okay, so pag tinype nyo siya, ganito ang magiging itsura niya. Okay, so 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 raised to 50. Okay, sa calculator, mahalaga yung mga parenthesis. So, ibig sabihin yan, siya lang yung naka-raised to 50. Minus, parenthesis ulit. Okay, so ito na lang. Hindi kasya sa isang screen. So, pindutin nyo lang yung arrow. So, 5 raised to 1 minus. This time, 1 minus minus. So, yung palatandaan, raised to 50. Okay, all over. So, all over square root of 5. So, pag pindutin nyo yung equals, ito yung lalabas na sagot. 1.258626902 times 10 raised to 10. So, naka-exponential form. Okay, so kaya lang hindi yan yung accurate na sagot. Ang accurate na sagot is ito. Okay? So, sa calculator kasi, ang kaya niya lang is hanggang dyan lang yung limit ng digits na kaya niyang i-display. Pero ito yung accurate na sagot. 12,586,269,025. Okay? So, pareho lang yan. So, parang pag kinonvert nyo yung exponential na yan, pwede nyo namang pindutin, kung nalilito kayo sa exponential sa raised to 10, pwede nyo pindutin tong engineering para magbago yung exponent. Okay? So, para pag kinonvert nyo, transfer natin yung decimal point. So, 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, meron kang nawawalang digit, yun yung 5. So, ito yung accurate na answer. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag na Fibonacci sequence. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, since meron tayong formula. Okay?